We are at it again. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for coming back. If you're coming back, and if you're not, if you're new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can see more of these. So today we are making that bread that I promised you the last time. This is the full video of all the steps that you'll need to take when you make that bread. So it is very much detailed. I won't be making any instructions or anything like that. You'll just see for yourself. So it's quite long, it's relaxed, so we are not rushing anywhere today like the last time I was making amakwenya. So today I used blossom as my substitute for buttering the pan because I didn't have rama, and it was my first time using blossom for baking. I didn't know anything about blossom. I just used blossom because it was the margarine that I had, right? So I wouldn't recommend blossom for buttering your pan. I don't know about baking, but I wouldn't recommend. And I'm not trying to degrade any brand. Please don't get me wrong. I'm not trying to degrade it. That is just not meant for baking because I think it is too soft to hold the heat. It didn't work as I had planned it would work, or as any buttering margarine would work for baking. You will see the end result of what I'm talking about. But anyway, blossom it's great for other things that I'm using for. It is great. That's why I have it from the first place. So I'm not trying to degrade. I'm just trying to alert someone out there like me who didn't know about blossom, the difference and everything like that. Yeah, so I think everything is very much detailed, so I won't be saying any more about the baking. You will just see for yourself. And don't forget, yeast is that one that you have to put outside so that it double on its size. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video and one love. this is my first pen, and this is what I was talking about when I said that margarine is not good for baking, or rather for buttering your pen, because it was very sticky. It was like I took some time for taking it out of the pen. So I really don't recommend, but I used it to butter the bread itself. Yeah, just butter the bread for more taste, and it worked wonders. So it's not bad for everything, it's just not good for buttering the pan. So don't get me wrong, I'm not degrading any brand. Anyway, thank you for watching. One love. See you on the next video. Bye.